the background. First step, select add photo and select. Friends, this is the background. Rotate, simply zoom out like this. Scroll up, select the blend option. Now select the screen option. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, scroll down, select the tools, select the adjust, increase the saturation completely. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select model image. Friend, this is model image. I already arranged the background. Simply arrange it perfectly in this portion. Perfect. Now tap on eraser. Select the erase. Increase the size, decrease opacity, decrease hardness, and erase on the outer portions. Yes, it is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select the colors PNG. For this colors PNG, simply arrange it in this portion here. Decrease little opacity and tap on eraser. Tap on erase. Decrease opacity, decrease hardness. Erase these unwanted portions. Now tap on tick mark. It is perfect. You can decrease the size like this. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select Holi PNG. Holi PNG, arrange it perfectly in this portion here. Perfect. Now bring this colors PNG, arrange one on the neck. Scroll up, select the blend option. Now select multiple. Now tap on layers, tap on duplicate, arrange another one on the head like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to tools, tap on adjust, increase saturation, increase clarity, increase highlights, and decrease little shadow, increase contrast, and increase saturation little more. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to FX, select the simple option, scroll to the left. Now select the low-mo option, tap on settings, decrease amount to 0 and vignette to 0. Now tap on eraser, tap on background. Now tap on tick mark, tap on tick. Friends, finally our special Holi tutorial is complete. This is before, this is the final output. Now tap on save. See you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.